Hi, I'm Donna Wolfe from Naztazia.com.
Today, I'll show you how to do the bead stitch in crochet, which looks nice for a blanket, scarf, and more. I'm using worsted weight yarn and a size H crochet hook for my sample. To begin, chain 30 or any multiple of 3. Single crochet in the third chain from the hook. Then make 1 single crochet in each of the next 2 chains. In the next chain, we're going to do an extended single crochet stitch. To do this, we start the stitch like a normal single crochet, but then we make a chain 1. Then we finish the stitch like a normal single crochet, and that's an extended single crochet, which is basically a taller stitch than a traditional one. In the next 2 chains, we're going to make 1 single crochet in each. And then we do our extended single crochet stitch again. Begin like a regular single crochet, then chain 1, and finish like a regular single crochet. I'll show this pattern again. 1 single crochet in each of the next 2 chains, then the extended single crochet stitch, continue with this pattern across the row, ending with the extended single crochet in the last stitch. For row 2, we'll chain 2 and turn our work. It's up to you if you want to continue with the same color or change over to another color. Where we placed our chain 2 is considered our first stitch. So we're going to work a double crochet in the next stitch over. It helps to turn your work a bit sideways since we're going to work around this double crochet for each of the bead stitches. Around this double crochet, we'll yarn over and insert our hook, then draw up a loop. And we'll do this 3 more times, for a total of 4 draw ups. 2, 3, and 4. Next, we yarn over and carefully pull through that yarn through all the loops on our hook. And there's our bead stitch. We're going to skip 1 stitch and make an extended single crochet in the next stitch. This helps hold the bead stitch in place. And there's 1 completed bead stitch. Now we'll make another one. Start with a double crochet in the next stitch. And then around that double crochet, we'll do our bead stitch. Yarn over, insert hook, and pull through. We'll do this a total of 4 times. If for some reason when you pull your yarn through at the end you find there's too many stitches on the hook, just make your bead stitch with 3 draw ups instead of the 4 that I'm doing. Yarn over and pull through. Then we skip a stitch, and in the next stitch we do our extended single crochet stitch. And now we have 2 bead stitches. I'll do this again. Make a double crochet in the next stitch. Turn your work a bit. Do either 4 drawing up of loops or only 3 if you find they fall off the hook. Yarn over and pull through all loops on the hook. Skip 1 stitch, then make an extended single crochet in the next stitch. And now we have 3 completed bead stitches. At the end, you'll have to place your last extended single crochet in the top of the chain stitches from the previous row. For row 3, we'll chain 2 and turn our work. Again, either keep the same color or change to a new one. Place a single crochet on top of the previous bead stitch. Then another single crochet in the next stitch over. And finally, an extended single crochet here. And again, single crochet on top of the bead stitch, single crochet in the next stitch, and then do an extended single crochet in between here. I'll show this again. Single crochet on top of the bead stitch, single crochet in the next stitch, extended single crochet in the next. You'll continue with this across. As before, the last extended single crochet will need to be placed on the top of the previous row's turning chains. For row 4, we're just going to repeat row 2. We'll start with a chain 2 and turn our work. And since this is the bead stitch row, we'll do a double crochet stitch. Then around the double crochet, we'll do the bead stitch, consisting of wrapping our yarn and drawing up loops around the double crochet. 4 times is ideal, but 3 is fine as well. Skip a stitch, then do an extended single crochet in the next stitch to hold the bead stitch in place. And you'll continue this pattern across. And for row 5, we'll just repeat row 3. We'll start with a chain 2, then make a single crochet on top of the bead stitch, and single crochet in the next stitch. Then do the extended single crochet in the next stitch. Continue with this across. From now on, you'll just continue repeating rows 2 and 3 for as many rows as you wish. And that's how I make the bead stitch in crochet.
Thanks so much for watching my video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel to get notified of new videos from me each week. And if you liked the video you just watched, be sure to check out my next video, which I think you'll like very much.